Watch where you're going, fool. Don't you know that I'm the best calculator this side of the Mississippi?
Calculator? Calculator? That's what you made me drop. Don't you know that I'm the best Calc II student at this school?
Huh. Don't you know that title belongs to me?
Me.
Me!
Me! This town isn't big enough for two daringly handsome Calc II rappers. I challenge you using my secret weapon. My rhyme scheme.
Now, it's on. Let's take this to the classroom.
All right, play the beats.
Diffie keys are just verification with derivation. Make sure y prime equals y except for particulation. Plug in coords into that general solution situation, and isolate y until it sees that the equation it's basic.
Separate the variables by the left, x to the right. Integrate both sides, keep the constant in sight. Plug the initial condition, solve the C with the flow. From particular to general, watch the solution grow.
Wordy diffie keys just require a little algebra. Just separate the variables on each side of the equation, bruh. Integrate both sides with track your constants, cuz. Just because there's two C's doesn't make them the same, bud.
Top minus bottom, find the bounds where they meet. Integrate the function like a true mathlete. Delta x, delta y, whichever one makes you fly. Pow, pow, integrate like the 4th of July.
Discs and washers, it's getting three-dimensional. Take a little slice and rotate, high conceptual. Integrate the equations to find the area theoretical. Use this one perpendicular up to an axis, yo.
Shells and discs, how can't you get it right? Delta x, delta y, spin these puppies like a kite. Around the axis it goes, radius times the height, times 2 pi, integrate, now it's right.
Got an F and a G in integral, don't know where to start. Let me break it down for you like integration by part. Just follow the formula, it shows you how to play your cards. Pick trigger E for DV if you're smart.
The complex fraction, had to break the whole thing down. Numerator to large, just use long division to clown. Make the noms degree of the largest, make it the best. Divide it out first, let the partials do the rest. Factor out the bottom, ABC, etc. Linear for quadratic, solve the system, that's a formula. Partial fractions really are a calculus grind, but like ELR goat, we'll find the answer in time.
A squared and x squared b and squared, what's the problem? A 1 minus side squared looks easier for solving. Cosine squared goes to cos, integrate, flows like water. Draw your triangle with trig, cause SOHCAHTOA is awesome.
Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1 for swap. Odd power, save a factor, let the u sub drop. Even powers only, then half angle is your key. This beautiful theorem will set the integral free.
Third variable back again, what's the word? T hides in plain sight for parametric curves. T gives each point a number, T can go unheard. Eliminate parameter and graph, it's a wonder.
We're moving in two directions, but it's governed by the t, parametric derivatives, setting all the variables free. Take the dy over dx to find the tangent line. Watch the curves develop as we're tracking through time.
Don't forget the theorem by Pythagoras. C becomes R, and now you've got a radius. Tans over A goes to Y and X, change it up. Plot an X, Y, then our theta in radians.
Switching up the system, trade for radius and theta. Spinning circles around the origin, no longer moving straighter. Radius is growing as the angle starts to sweep. In a polar world of roses, the math's just buried deep.
The story doesn't end there, polars can be integrated. Arc lengths and areas will still show up in radians. Your bounds will change up to values alpha beta then. When you integrate, make sure you're added to your thetas in.
Patterns taken over as the index starts to climb, listing out the terms one by one in perfect time, with the AN formula to find the value where it lands. The limit of the function is the logic it demands.
Sequences and series are not the same, don't get it twisted. Series is a sum of values, sequence you just listed. To the n are less than 1, equations geometric. N plus 1 on the bottom, telescoping, it's simplistic.
Pushing past the limits where the function starts to break, an infinite boundary or a vertical headache. In place of infinity with a k, watch it mid-fly. If the air is finite, then converges to the sky.
Integral test is great, the only condition is f must be positive, decreasing, and continuous. The integral tells about the sum of the sequences, if the series might converge or actually be limitless.
Well, wow, Wow, mister. You can really spit some bars. The peers and abilities are very equally matched.
Alright. We'll call it a draw. Pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise.
I will not forget this moment.